Just making sure I got you guys in the picture. Hi guys, Molly from Molly's Artistry. I wanted to do another pour. I'm using my regular pouring medium. That's in my video, I'll post it below. The bottom first full layer of colors does not have any silicone in it, so I wanted to try something out. Those are gonna fall through the other layers because they're on the bottom, and these layers have silicone in them, and I'm seeing if they'll rise to the top. So we're just doing an experiment here. I'm just experimenting around. So there's probably about 350 mils of paint. I had too much paint last time. These are 300 milliliter cups, and I had them filled almost, so that was 600. That's normally like a 10 by 20 for me. This is an 11 by 14, so look at the little design that's on there. So gave those a second. I'll give them a second more. If you guys have any questions, please comment below. Let me see here. I'll see if I get any cells this way, because the cells are really just in the top couple layers. This might be my way to save on silicone here. Not that it's that expensive, but I normally have a problem of just too many cells. So let's see what happens here with the cells. And I want the cells in the middle because when I torch them, when I spread them out, oh, look at those pretty cells on that side. Can you guys see that? Are you guys getting that? Oh yeah, those cells are gorgeous. I'm glad I scraped this canvas now. I'm just putting my gloves back on. Give me 2 seconds. So the other video might not even make it on there. I liked it. I just tried something after the camera went off. I tried a river of white down the middle and to swipe, because I didn't really like what the middle did where the paints met, but I liked everything else about the painting. So I scraped it. You can see it. It's down there on my canvas. But I really like what's going on here. I like the pink and the purple, the way that they reacted together. Again, no white. I don't like this white mix, so I did metallic white and Artist Loft white. I think I'm gonna go back to my house paint, because my house paint for my mixture does really well. So I'm gonna go down this way first, back and forth. Oh, I actually really like this one. I'm glad I redid it. Okay, get a little bit more off the bottom there. Bring the paint back. Hope you guys can see it. Now I'm stretching this way. Go back and forth. Not too fast. I always talk to myself in my head like, come on, Molly, not that fast. You know, not that fast. Go off. I don't really care for that white cell that's in there. Okay. Oh yeah, I like this one much better. I like the composition of this one much better. Look at this little tiny, so I don't like this white string that's right there. I should probably have just taken the white out of this one completely, but I do like the white rings that came around right there. But that's about it. Let me just cover this part of the canvas with some purple. I will take my gloves off and I'll take you down and I'll show you. Got some weird cells right there, but some of these little tiny cells are just so cute. They've got so many colors in them. It's amazing, really. This art form is amazing. It amazes me every day. I love it. I love the science. I love the artistic part of it. I like not knowing sometimes. I like trying to see if I know. It's just so much fun. It's so relaxing. I hope it's relaxing to you guys too. One of my friends today at work said that. She said, I watch you. And I'm like, oh, that's so relaxing. So hi, Kelly. Don't know if you're gonna watch this one, but hello. All right, let me take this off. So my colors were dioxazine violet, and I mixed a little bit of Payne's gray with that. I had a turquoise and mixed a little bit of Payne's gray with that, and then I did deep magenta and cerulean blue and a little bit of white. So take a look at that. Super cool, right? And I got some background because I didn't put any silicone in my first layer in the cups. I only put silicone in the second part of that. So I'm really liking that one. Super cool. All right, so that was just a tiny little video for you guys. Again, I used my pouring medium, about 50% paint to pouring medium. And like 2 drops of silicone halfway through into each paint and mixed the paints. So hope you like this, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.